This particular video is designed to show how central nervous system, how the healing of the central nervous system with movement, along with the connection to nature, heal our vision.
Before we start our movement, we will examine our eyes by looking at the eye chart. Make sure to close your eyes and breathe. Visualize that the light of the sun is penetrating your eyes and penetrating your skin. Place your hands right above your eyes gently. Breathe deeply. Imagine that you're seeing the color black. We can also strengthen our eyes by working with our peripheral vision. Repeat the exercise, but this time placing the same. After stimulating the energy of our nerves in our fingers, we can use this energy to massage our eyes and the forehead. Shake your fingers lightly around the eyes, but feel that your fingertips are penetrating and studying the environments around you. Studying the trees, the shape of the trees, the shape of the leaves, the size of the trees, the distance between each tree to another.